In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable chat history reference in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn off the setting that lets ChatGPT look back at your previous conversations when generating answers, so you stay in full control of what each chat can draw from. Start by opening the ChatGPT interface. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, usually showing your avatar or initials. Click that profile area to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This takes you to the main settings panel where you can fine-tune how ChatGPT behaves for your account. Inside Settings, go to the Personalization section. This is where features related to how ChatGPT adapts to you are organized. Scroll down until you see the Memory section. This is the area that controls whether the assistant can reference or remember certain information across chats. Within the Memory section, find the option labeled Reference Chat History. Click the toggle to turn it off. When the toggle is off, ChatGPT will stop referencing your past chats as context for new responses. There's no extra confirmation required, and the change takes effect immediately. That's it. You've successfully disabled chat history reference. From now on, each new conversation will stand on its own unless you manually provide context in that chat. This can be helpful if you prefer fresh independent sessions, if you're switching topics frequently, or if you're sharing your screen and want to avoid any unintentional callbacks to previous discussions. A few quick clarifications for peace of mind. Turning off reference chat history doesn't delete any of your existing conversations. Your past chats will still appear in the sidebar, and you can still open and continue any of them as usual. It simply prevents new answers from pulling in details from other chats automatically. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same setting and toggle it back on. The adjustment applies to your account and should update right away across devices linked to that account. If you don't immediately see the Memory section, give the Settings page a moment to load and make sure you're in the Personalization tab. Interfaces can evolve over time, but the option will be in or near the memory area under Personalization. To recap in one breath, Profile at the bottom left, open Settings, go to Personalization, scroll to Memory, and toggle off Reference Chat History. Simple, quick, and you're done.